Hello. We're going to play some marbles. Going to hack some boxes. Gonna mess around with auto recon a bit. But yeah. So we'll join this room. Okay, and we'll start the machine. It has some lore, apparently. I'm not going to even attempt reading this. Now, we haven't started the box yet, by the way. I do need to create at least a directory for it. CD into it. Sudo vim DNS mask. Oh goodness, I got to type my password in. Not my right password. Great. I think it's that. Okay, good. We didn't get Raven yet. Don't worry. Okay, address equals .poster .TryHackMe. And then we're going to paste this IP address, which I think is the correct one, ending in .2. Does that make sense? It does. Okay, good. We're going to save this. This is just DNS mask. It's a DNS server that runs on my Kali box. Now I just need to restart the service. And now if I do host poster .TryHackMe, we get the IP address, but also if I do oops, nope. Yes, anything, right? So if I do like test.post.TryHackMe, I also get this IP address back. And then obviously do some auto recon magic. Poster.TryHackMe. Okay, so. Alright. So here we go. We have port 22 and port 80. So let's at least open a browser and go to poster.TryHackMe. Okay. A simple boot to root machine for hackers. This email thing does nothing. The action is set to a hash. So yeah, absolutely nothing there. Let's try robots.txt. Nothing. Alright, so we probably do need to go and have a look at what auto recon is saying. Results, poster, scans. Well, I guess we could always look at the port 22. Interesting. Public key, password, and keyboard interactive. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. Okay. What have we got? Looking for 200s. That's nothing. Okay, I mean, we could try looking at the assets and images and seeing if we get directory listings out of them. Which we do. Interesting. We can have a look at the main.js. That might have something in it. I'm guessing probably nothing in that. Try images. Okay, nothing there. Okay, this looks like just the HTML5 up.net stuff. So I'm guessing it's nothing to do with this either. So we can actually have a look at the mmap and see if there's anything interesting here. For instance, comments, which may be hiding freaking passwords for no reason. It doesn't look like it there. Okay, I'm guessing what we do need to do is just find some page on the box because, oh, hang on, actually no, we have a 5432, which is what? Is that Postgres? It is. We have Postgres, which I don't have any. Apparently, I don't have any scans for. Hey, I just figured out what we could do later. So I'm guessing we can just connect to it, presumably. Remote connection, yeah. PSQL, which I believe I have used before. You just rarely freaking see it. Have I actually got PSQL? Yes. Okay, PSQL, we're going to use poster.TryHackMe. I mean, let's just try connecting, I guess. Do we have to brute force? Oh, here we go. So this was saying use Metasploit, I guess. So let's try and use Metasploit. Because, yeah, again, there's nothing really to suggest that we have any kind of actual username. I didn't see one. Don't go all in an easy box, take it easy. I mean, oops. Oh, shit. Password okay, so maybe that is poster.TryHackMe. Does version unknown? Okay, so Postgres didn't work. Guess we could try this one. I have no idea what this one does. Oh. Set our hosts to post. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even know what this one did. Makes sense, I guess. It's not vulnerable. So what the frick is this? Do we have anything in here that there was no way to get any kind of SQL injection that I saw from here, because there's really no pages that are injectable. The only 200s we have are these static pages. So I'm guessing, do we just have to brute force it? And I'm guessing the Postgres default user is Postgres. Okay. There is a login brute force. There it is. All right, we'll use that. Show options. Poster.TryHackMe. Set the username. Postgres. I guess we should unset user pass file. Oh, actually, no, maybe not. You know, let's just run it and see what happens. There we go. Login successful. Postgres and password, which means I get to use this. Or I don't, because apparently... There we go.
The
Do it manually, I guess.
Is password?
Don't know why that didn't work. Okay. Hydra might work as well, yeah. So we'll do PSQL again. Username is Postgres. And password? It's probably that. Or just do this. Password. There we go. I guess technically.
I'm in.
All right. So now we can do. Oh, it's been an age since I've actually used Postgres on the command line. I'm gonna have to just. Yeah, list tables is that. Okay, /list is list databases. That's what I want. No, I know it's not. That's not the flag. Oh, we use template 0. Now if we do /d, sorry. Okay. What if we use template 1? Use Postgres. /d. Alright, what the hell? Oh, /c is used. So my use statements aren't even doing anything, apparently. Okay, let's use Postgres and then do what? No, /c. Postgres. For some reason that. Okay, D. Alright. C template 1 or 0, I should probably do. I don't anymore. That timer went out. Okay, so we can do template 1. Not find any relations. I guess we could just do this, get user roles. So we have a bunch of users, I guess. Why don't we just do this? I'd be happy if my... Oh my... Yeah, okay, because they don't actually work anymore. They really need to fix that. I hate that you can't... Apparently I can't even copy here. Okay, so there we go. Well, that's better. Okay. So all my commands weren't actually... It's really stupid because the use command works, I think, in MySQL. Alright, so can we just do... I mean, screw it. Let's just read credentials and see what the fuck we get. I can't do it from there. I got to do it from here. Okay. This is bound to be stuff like usernames on the system, right? Are these all MD5s? That's an MD5. I'm just going to select those. And we're just going to check. We're going to use name that hash. I think it's T. Yeah, okay. So all we're going to do now is... I mean, I guess I could just copy these and then do something like this stupid thing. Delete, delete, delete. Probably not the easiest way of doing it, but we're going to copy all those. We're going to save them in a file. md5.hashes. I'm just going to use John. Word list equals rock you. Format equals raw MD5. Perfect. MD5. Nothing. Interesting. I guess we could just try Crack Station. How many minutes I got left? 5. Great. Did it say that? Maybe I selected the wrong hash type. No, there we go. Batman poster is this one. Batman poster is probably not in Rocky. Alright, so that is the one beginning 7-8. Which means if we go back here, 7-8 is poster. What? Really? Oh yeah, poster, because I'm Postgres. Alright, so now if we just SSH poster at poster.TryHackMe. Yes. And then maybe. Hang on, did I not copy it correctly? Batman poster, copy. It's not there. Okay. It is raw MD5. According to this. I guess I could just let's just test it. Well, I just typed it in as well, so let me just double check. It is a match, but maybe it's one of these guys' passwords as well. So we'll try all these. So we'll try SSH as TryHackMe. Batman poster. Okay. We will try this one. Oops. Batman poster? No, okay. It's gonna be Dark Star, isn't it? No. I'm just going to try this again. No, it's definitely not that. Let me select all from PG_toast. PG toast doesn't exist. Oh, that's the schema name, damn it. I mean, it's not going to be public, is it? Yeah, I mean, it's really freaking weird. We're probably going to run out of time. Public, I don't think is a database, no. Alright, well let's... You're saying it is that password. Which means, if this was a technical issue, then we're going to say that I did get it. And that's interesting. Why is it? Oh, right. Yeah, it is. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. Batman poster. Mission denied. Do we have to force the password, maybe? This one. I don't think this should really do anything. Problem is we don't know any other users. We know all these. I mean, it might be TI. We didn't try TI. I should probably have done that. Postgres, not really. Well, that's weird. The fact that we cracked a password, but apparently we can't do anything with it. Oh no, you can do it, but I don't think we are the we can. Oh, we are the super user. Well, we've run out of time, unfortunately. Can you not spawn a shell? I mean, possibly. This is the thing. Maybe. Honestly, I thought, why would they give you access to a password if you can't use it? Let's go to not burp sweep, port swiggers, SQL injection. Because there is a... Right. We can do this thing. I mean, we'll just use burp collaborator, screw it. Oh, no, we can't because it's not... Alright, so we probably have to use curl. Curl 10.13.2.135. 10.13.2.135. This freaking works. It's going to be annoying, but okay. If we do sudo tail var log. Oh, come on, did I not type that right? Oh, it's running. Okay, good. Okay, is this gonna work? No. No. Command not found. Which curl? User bin curl, maybe. Okay, we just do a regular freaking like who am I? We can. So who am I works, so maybe wget will work. Fuck's sake. Oh man. Okay, well we can probably just use netcat. Usually when you get access to a database, it's just not that freaking easy. They're usually giving it because, you know, why am I even in here? They usually give it because they want you to find something. The intended way is not this. Okay. I don't know if that makes me feel better or worse. What's the intended way? Does this even... Will this even work? I'm not even sure this will work, to be honest with you. We can try it, though. Oh, it did work. Lovely! Okay, so, apparently, yeah, you can just... Yeah, we do have Python 3. That was Hack Tools, but this is, This is rev shell gen. All right, Python 3. We're going to stabilize our shell. pty.spawn bin bash. All right, we're going to get a stable shell, background it, stty. You know, I'm not even going to bother doing the stream readers. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Set equals xterm 56. Oh, so there's a module. I mean, that probably is the way, right? Yeah, this is probably the it's just using the same commands that I did. So I am doing it the correct way. This is how they intended. Okay. All right. We're gonna cat Etsy password. I'm just actually gonna stretch the screen. Do we have a dark user? I guess we could just SU to the dark user. Potentially using the Batman poster one. No. And do sudo. Passive Postgres was password. Or not. Maybe it's Batman poster. No, okay. Sudo Allison maybe? Batman poster. Okay. Maybe it's password. Just gonna try the password with the dark user now. Oh, that's basically everybody. Can we just sort of sue as root and use Batman poster? No, okay. All right. And see where there's no home set. Okay, so we're gonna have to use. We're gonna use search just mess UIDs. This isn't not looking promising. Yeah, get cap as well. We'll do get cap -r/2 into dev. No, nothing. Jeez. Let's just check the permissions on that and the permissions on shadow, maybe. No. Let's just go into the home directories of dark, I guess. Well, there we go. Credentials. Okay, sudo-l. Have his password. Okay, dark may not use that. Alice. Oops. Okay, so we need to get to Allison. So maybe Allison uses the same password. No. Allison does have a bash history. Oh, which we can't read. Great. The thing is, we tried Allison with the Batman password. That's weird. Why is the box doing this? Did we find anything else in here? Cat.bash. Let's do move. Yeah, that's weird. Well, that's the thing. Like, we can try the root user, I guess. No. I tried Allison. We were already Postgres. Well, we're gonna time out here, aren't we? Should have given it 10 minutes. I'm just gonna double check that this is the right. I mean, we presumably have to get to the Allison user. Is Allison running anything? No. Well, I fail again. I mean, we got... I felt like when we got credentials, it was going to be much easier. And the thing is, there's nothing... we'll do find readable. I mean, it shouldn't be a... That's the stupid thing. Like it said... When I asked for boxes, I put challenges. It should not be a walkthrough box. We haven't checked. The thing is, when you're up against a timer, you don't tend to check things like opt. That's opt, but then there's UFW. Interesting. I mean, that just disables UFW. It's not even writable, so that's nothing. Okay, we're going to run the find command again, but we're going to do writable this time. Oh, for fuck's sake. Really? In a static website? Oh my god. A static website. I wasn't... The website had no PHP. Did this even find config.php? I hate this box. No, config.php doesn't even respond. I mean, there's no reason for config.php to be there. The website is completely and utterly static. What am I doing? Like... Oh. There's a config.php literally for no reason. I'm downvoting this box because there's no reason for that config.php to even freaking be there. Oh my goodness. Alright. Postgres failed configuration. Yeah. Oh, alright. Okay, so now we can do sudo -l. Let me just grab her password again. Of course it was that.
We are in.
Alright. Read.txt. Congrats for read the file with credential. Yeah, you. Oh. Downvote this one. Alright. PostgreSQL is 5432, right? Alright, we need to just we need to go back to Ruby. Search for Postgres. Alright, what we need. I'm gonna answer all these so I get the points anyway. Enumerate user credentials. It's just the login, right? Okay, this was Postgres and password. Now you execute commands. There we go, this one I guess. Oh, okay, no it's not. Starting with auxiliary. Is it this one? Oh no, Linux payload execution. There we no. Auxiliary, the 5-letter word. Admin maybe. It's not this, is it? Okay, no, that's not correct. That's not commands. It allows you to execute SQL. That's not a command. What's the version of Postgres? We can just do Postgres -- version, I imagine. Maybe not. No, it's not. I'm not still connected, am I, via the database? Oh, I guess I am here, but I have to overwrite it. Did I manage to select? There we go. It's 9521. Dumping user hashes. It's going to be this, presumably. I also don't like okay, this one fine, you can execute SQL using, but then it's like it just jumps to dump user hashes. Not every user can dump user hashes. That would be stupid. There was 6, I think. View files is going to be read file. And this one is the arbitrary command execution. Okay. All right. Yay. Well, at least that's off the list of things we never have to do again. All right. We have an IP address. We're obviously going to let it spawn. So we're going to do auto recon. I'm not going to actually press enter yet. Cheating. Edit the countdown. What did I say? 15 minutes. So we have a port 803306. Interesting. Now these are all Linux boxes, so don't have any robots.txt. We do that, so we have MySQL on port 336. Obviously, SMB on 445, so we can use SMB client maybe. Let's do a -L. There is this IT department share, so we can do. And mount it. And interesting, there's nothing in it. Can we put stuff to this? I'm going to exit out. I'm going to touch a file. Actually, I'm going to vim a file. Tib.txt. I'm going to put my name in it, Tiberius. And then we're going to do put tib.txt. Okay, so we can upload to the server, which probably we're going to have to find the directory, I'm guessing. And then it's probably going to be PHP or something. Alright, where's Dawn? TCP80. Could be in logs or CCT. Okay, so there's a bunch of directories coming up now. Okay, management log. That's interesting. What was the other one? CCTV. Okay, maybe tib.txt is in here. Nope. We could always try the... I don't know why it happened there. We can always try the name of the share. So if I do this... if I spell it correctly. Oops, crap. Alright. That's not something, but this is interesting. Someone's running PSpy. Okay, yeah, okay. Well, this is PSpy. What am I talking about? Yeah. This is PSpy. Are we supposed to be able to do anything here? This is interesting. Oh! It runs... It's running web control. But I'm not entirely sure.
New subscription received. Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
Thank you, Barry Dweener, for the 2 gift subs. Alright, let's have a look and see what we got here. MySQL, don't have anything. Alright, we don't have anything there. So, what happens if we just upload a file like web control? Right? Let's just refresh this and see what... Everything at this... Right, so all this stuff is getting red. Every minute web control gets red for some reason, and it's probably not finishing because there's nothing there. So can we literally just do something like sharbin bash, and then if we do a rev shell gen, and obviously do 192.168.49.6, shove that in there. Nope. Copy. There we go. Alright, let's try that. NC. Okay, we need to put web control with a hyphen would be helpful. I can chmod as well, I think, from here. Okay, maybe I can't. Apparently not. Well, while we wait for that, maybe we can just look up on how to do a chmod. SMB client chmod. Oh, we got one anyway. Didn't even need to chmod it.
I'm in.
Well, that was in less than 8 minutes. All right. 80% of you said yes. Thank you. Thanks for the support. Yeah, so basically how that went was we found this management. So we found this logs directory. Let me explain what we did. We found a logs directory here. It's readable. It has a directory listing. These three are all 0 length, so it doesn't matter. This management.log, if it looks familiar, it's because it's pspy. You can actually see when pspy is run here. And so pspy is running, right basically here. It's running and writing to var html logs management.log, which is this file, right? And then if you go down even further, if you search for IT department, right, you get this. I mean, we could have done product control, I guess, but it looks like the IT department share is in Dawn's home directory. And every minute, basically on the minute here, there's some cron job running this product control script and this web control script. And it happens every minute like clockwork. Obviously, there's nothing there, so this command is just going to exit. It's going to return an error. But it's still going to try and run it. And because we discovered earlier we had write access, because what I did was I uploaded tib.txt, right? I did a put. I could just create a very simple shell script, which is this, right? So usually good to have this at the start, this shebang thing. This is called a sharbang. Basically, it tells the shell that's running it in what context should I run this. So in this case, I'm saying, okay, this is a bash script. Please run this using bash. And then it just runs this reverse shell. All right, so let's stabilize this. Let's see which Python 3 is installed. -c import pty.spawn bin bash. And okay, Control C, stty size, stty that, stty cols 172, stty rows 39, and then we're going to export term equals xterm 256 color. Okay, now we have a nice good shell. Okay, so yeah, the rows. So basically, if I was to select all of this, this would be 39 rows. Actually, see, 39 lines. All that does is it means that if for whatever reason I run a command in here that needs the dimensions to like, for instance, like Vim will try and full screen everything. It's better if you tell the TTY how big your current terminal is. Obviously, if I resized at this point, it would mess everything up. But I'm guessing. Okay, so I'm not actually Dawn right now, but I'm in Dawn's home directory for some reason. Or maybe not. Okay, hang on. Although I was in Dawn's home directory, but I am not in Dawn's home directory. Let me actually see if the... Alright, they're written as nobody, which is useless. Can I do sudo on this box? Okay. Turns out, chat, I can run sudo as sudo. So can I just do sudo like? Like I can't do sudo dash s, right? Yeah, exactly. I can't do sudo dash s on its own, but I can run sudo dash s. Like, yeah, that's definitely not the path, is it? I mean, but it counts. Because there's a whole Ganymede user on here. What am I doing? CD Ganymede. Oh, yeah, we'll do the... That does count. That will count. I don't think sudo su will work, though. Because effectively, sudo su is switching user. But we could do sudo su. That works. No, sudo chmod wouldn't work. Remember, I can run sudo using sudo. Right? If I do sudo dash s, dash l. Okay, this tells me that I can run sudo, right, as root with no password. That's all I can run through sudo. Okay, this is the only thing I'm allowed to run. I can run sudo through sudo, which means I can just do this, and then I can run anything I want. If I do dash l here, there we go. If I do sudo dash l, I can run anything because I'm root. All right. I mean, yeah, we're gonna. that counts. It's not my fault the box sucks. Okay. Let's actually see if we can do this. We're back down as dub data. Let's have a look and see what we have here. Well, let's cat the local.txt, for instance. Well, no, I think this was unintended. That's the point. Hi, cat. We got root via a completely unintended method, which just happened to be ridiculously mind-bogglingly easy. I wonder if they were thinking, like, they were being clever? But like, oh, you can't get root if you give sudo or something like that. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look. Bash history is blank. I doubt there's anything in the... Yeah, you can't log into that. There is a .local. Oh, nothing in there. MySQL history is usually useful because people sometimes type their passwords in, but there's 0 bytes to it. So I think we're probably going to have to go and see if we can actually CD into Ganymedes. No. Alright, so let's have a look in the var dub and see if there is anything useful in the HTML directory. We can't get into that. The swap file is generated usually by editors when you're in the middle of... Yeah, this is generated by Nano. Okay, so there's nothing in there then. Let's go to opt. Interesting. Okay, we could try and look for SUID binaries. Let me get my lovely command that I refuse to memorize. Okay. I mean... does ZSH have a -p option, or does it just... I mean, let's just go to GTFO bins, because honestly, I do not usually see ZSH. What am I doing? SUID. You can just literally run ZSH, apparently. Okay. Okay, is that unintended as well? What's the point of this other user? Are there honestly two freaking ways to get root unintended or not? Anyone know? Because like, here's the thing: do we even continue with this box right now? We've gotten root in two different ways, without apparently even needing these two users. We have done absolutely nothing in these two users. That's only read only. Okay, what a shadow file. It's very slow, so okay, that's only read only. That's okay. Well, box, this is Dawn on Proving Grounds. Let's have a look in here and see if there's anything interesting here. Okay, there's a root bash history, which is only readable by root. That doesn't matter. The other thing we could just do is run linps, which I guess, you know. 921684916. Reverse linps. Yeah, but I mean, I kind of want to. Well, we're going to run this and see if we can find anything interesting that's not a stupid CVE. Down here. Oh, okay, hang on, I need to go all the way up. Okay, we found that. All right. Okay, what is this? Nothing useful there. This just indicates that this is the web control thing. Okay, for Prevest, we found two of them. Okay. Nothing particularly interesting I see there. I guess we could run getCap. Another cape. Actually, this would have run getCap. Yeah, there we go. There's the other one. The users did, but we couldn't read them. Basically just reading down right now and see if we can spot anything else. I'm betting one of them's going to be a password somewhere, isn't it? Okay, there's the SH, so we found that one. Capabilities, nothing useful. Those are all users. Yeah, sorry, those were usual, I should say. The MySQL history file was empty. That's nothing. That was it. No, they're both in there. Dawn and Ganymede are both in there. So I wonder if it's something stupid like just one of press requires you to be Dawn. Yeah. So I wonder if we have to. I mean, there is P-Spy somewhere, right? I think it's in the root. Actually, it's in the root. So I mean, if we just let's get P-Spy. Although actually, what are we even doing? We don't need P-Spy. We have it here. We can literally just look at what's running. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. Product control gets you the UID 1000. These are running as different users. I think. Let's yeah, web control gets you UID of 33, which is us, maybe? www. Okay, that runs as dub data. So what happens if we write, like, let's just copy web control to product control. It was product control, right? Yeah, okay. And now what we'll do is we'll just open a new tab, run this listener again. Basically, I lucked out. Yeah, I lucked out. I by using web. I mean, you could probably actually read it from here. Honestly, if we scroll down to these ones, you can see these two lines here actually. So the way to read this, obviously, this is the time that the command was run, and then I did. Thank you. Okay, but actually I just realized, yeah, okay, I am done now. Okay, that's good. All right. Let me explain. After I just get a semi-stable shell here. Okay, so yeah, the time that the command was run, the UID is who it was run as. So obviously 33 is dub data, and then the command that was run. Forget about this Phoebus thing. This is probably what we have to do next. If you get onto product control, you see the UID of 1000 is running product control. And that's how we get this. So let's actually just do CS that. Yeah, okay. Why is this not working? Export equals extern 256 color. For some reason it's very slow now. Is this one still okay? Yeah. Alright, I don't know quite. Okay. I think I need to do the STTY thing again. Why is it not? Okay, it's just eating my inputs now. I'm just going to quit that. We're going to do another. Double check. Let's remove web control. so I don't get an inadvertent connection back. Intended path is kind of dumb. Okay, well, we'll see if we can get to it. So basically what I've got here, I've removed web control, so product control should be anything that runs as Dawn. And it will run in 30 seconds. So I'm going to do Python 3 -c import bty bty.spawn bin bash again. Background it, stty size, and then stty something else, that. Then stty cols 172, stty rows 39, vertical column, sorry. Vertical rows, horizontal columns. Export term equals x term 2 plus 6. Alright, now we have a stable shell. Alright, so let's just see what we can do with. We need to do sudo ls sudo ash. Alright, so we can run. We can run MySQL apparently. Well, I mean, let's actually do this. We'll cap the local.txt and we'll submit that. So, what am I doing? Oh, did we already submit that? I think we did, didn't we? I guess I already submitted. Okay, so let's just sudo MySQL. Is there a way to do it in GTFO bins, I guess? Because I know you can. We have no password, potentially sudo. Okay, we can actually just do this. Apparently. No, okay, so using password, no. Yeah, exactly. You can read write if you're running root as if you're running MySQL's root. Although only technically the only the server. No, that won't matter. You don't need to run this with the path because this already resolves. Oh, okay. There's nothing in her bash history. It's empty. Yeah, there's nothing in either of them's bash history. Let me guess, it's the freaking MySQL password, maybe? Yeah, this should be an easy box. I mean, technically it is an easy box. For some reason, the users rated it as intermediate. It's not intermediate. It's easy. This bit's just a bit weird. I guess maybe in... There's gonna be nothing, but no. We can also try the... Nothing. Alright, so yeah. And there was nothing in here. I guess we just gotta check out MySQL and see what we can do with it. I wonder if we can do something fun like this. Sometimes if you pass files to programs where they're unexpected and you're running them as root, they can spit out the first line of a file. This one didn't. That's interesting. I don't really know. Because we do need... Like, if I just run sudo MySQL. Access and IV user root localhost using password now. Okay, so maybe just... Let's have a look in the... Oh, maybe not. I don't think Page will do... The problem is... I think Page is going to run after we've authenticated. That's the thing. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. My.conf fallback, maybe? No. Conf.d. I guess we could try that. MariahDB.conf. Oh, come on. I mean, honestly, I don't expect to find anything. That is a good question, actually. Yeah, I could do that. That might be... Yeah, that wouldn't be an easy thing. The question is, do I have MySQL running on this? No, but I can sudo service MySQL start, maybe? Okay. Yeah, this is where I... Let me just try Tiberius, I guess. No. Alright, I need to reset. MySQL reset user password. Oh, can I just run sudo actually? I'm an idiot. Maybe I could just do this. Why not? This would definitely be a really interesting idea. Okay. Stop the MySQL server. Okay. Create a text file. There we go. So we're just gonna. I'm just gonna literally give it the password of password. All right, cool. So just do that. Equals MySQL sound. Oh, need to sudo it. Let's see if that did anything. It did. Excellent. Okay. So now the question is pm-p306 localhost. It is open. All right, so I just need to do a port forward basically. So just trying to think of the easiest way to open up that port. I guess we just use UFW. Oh yeah, true. Yeah. Okay, it's gonna be my.conf. Alright, hang on. MySQL listen on 0000. Because you can change the port, but I'm pretty sure it's only. Okay, so it's bind address, alright. Okay, we'll do bind address equal 0000. Hopefully that's gonna work. Serve it. Server stop. Server start. Alright. Can we now on this box do a sudo mysql-h 192.168.49.156 -u root -p password. One 192.168.49.156. Close. Lovely. Did I fuck it up? Yeah, I mean that's what it freaking says. Guessing I'm not in the right. No, it's the same file. It just points that way. Ah, it's there. Here we go. Okay. Find address. 000. Alright, so now I should be able to do just this and take this one out. Service stop. Start. Map. Nice. Okay, now we should be able to do it. Okay. Now we have an issue of host access. This is really convoluted. It'd probably been easier to just do an SSH port forward at this rate, but conf.d. Alright, via conf.d50 server. No, we didn't. We're trying to make it connect to my MySQL. In fact, I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to do an SSH. What do I need to do? Forty-nine 156 306 227 306 Tiberius. Test. Okay, hang on. Okay. Oh, of course, I need to. That's stupid. Already listening to port. Right, hang on. I need to change the port. 3307 now. Okay, I did it the wrong way round. Unless I'd have to do this. Dash. I think that works. And then how do I do a port here? You just dash P. This is like going beyond what people should be able to know. It is dash port. Alright. Just want to just double check something. 3307 192 168 49156. It's closed. Alright, that explains a lot. So I think I do need to do it this way, but I need to do them. I just need to reverse them, I think. So I need to do 12700. No. I need to reverse them this way? You never friggin' understand which way. No, that's not. Right, no, it's this. 3307, 3306. It's going to be one of these options. You just try until it works, basically. I need to do the nmap thing again. Nope, still didn't work. I think I was right the first time with the dash L. I just got them the wrong way around, maybe? I think it's that. Thank fuck. Okay, so what I did here, I'm on my Kali box. So I have my MySQL server running on port 3306 internally, right? I'm going to SSH to my test account at my Kali box, right? This is localhost. I'm not on Dawn. I'm on Kali. So I'm SSHing to my test account. My test account is just a really low privileged account, so I don't get fucked. But SSHing to my test account via SSH. And what I'm saying is, hey, while you're doing that, can you open up a port 3307 on my public IP address, public in VPN, and forward all traffic that goes to that port to the internal port 127.0.0.1.3306. Honestly, there are different ways of doing this. SSH is just kind of nice to do it. So now we have basically I'm connected via here, but I think if I then do bin sh, maybe. Okay, there is. Oh, it's exclamation point or not. What I guess I could do actually is just do this thing, this stupid thing here. There we go. Now I'm root. And I still should be on Dawn. Yeah. Okay. So, even though... So this is the thing, right? I'm running MySQL as root. Okay? I can take this countdown thing off. I'm running MySQL as root. I'm not running MySQLD as root. Okay? This is the important thing. Even though I am connecting to my own Kali machine's MySQL server, the MySQL binary, the MySQL client that I'm using is running on Dawn as root. Okay, so I can execute, if I went back to the MySQL shell, I can execute SQL statements against my MySQL server. However, I'm not running as root on my MySQL server, right? If we actually do a ps-ef grep MySQL, you'll see MySQL is running as MySQL, right? MariaDB is running as MySQL. If I somehow managed to get command line access, OS command execution on the MySQL server, which is my Kali machine, it would be executing as MySQL, the MySQL user. Because, however, the this command, the running bin sh, is an internal MySQL client command. It's just going to give me a shell on Dawn. All right. We're still connected technically to the MySQL server. It's just that in the client, I told it to spawn bin sh. However, this doesn't give us any... This doesn't really tell us where to go. We literally got root without touching the Dawn user again. Oh no, we did get the Dawn user. We just didn't get the Ganymede user. So I honestly don't know. Service stop, please. I'm just going to revert all this crap. Because this is a really bad thing. No, I'll just comment it out. Anyone didn't understand that? And my.conf. I don't like it listening on ports. We're not going to use ports anymore. So the problem then is, how the fuck do we get Ganymede? Was there anything in here? Oh, there is. Okay. We can... Can we just create files, maybe? No, we can't. Yeah, we can't like touch stuff. Yeah, I have no idea how to get Ganymede. It looks like it'll be easy if you can create files in Ganymede's home directory. You can create this Phoebos file. Let's actually just grep and see. No, Ganymede isn't even running anything. Oh, the other thing actually we should have done. Etsy. Come on. Etsy password. Where's Ganymede? 1001. So what we'll do is we'll look down this for user ID 1001. Yeah, okay. Just runs the friggin' cron daily. There is no. Apparently there is no. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, we can just do SU Ganymede. I'm gonna cheat now and see exactly what we can do as Ganymede, I guess. Can't sudo. I mean, I'm guessing just once we get to Ganymede, you just create the root file, but I don't know how you get right access to Ganymede's home directory. So that's some kind of mount point. Oh. Hey, how slow this box is. I don't even know if this is anything. It's probably nothing then. Yeah, I don't know. Should we read a walkthrough? When I tell you what I found for root, go on then, tell me. Root passwords. I thought we checked robots.txt. Yeah, they're not, but they're empty as well. We found that already. That was one of the first things we checked. See? It's 0. Same with Ganymedes. Well, this has 53, but that's because I literally just ran some commands as Ganymedes. If we do home Ganymedes, yeah, I mean this is all me. And these were definitely empty. I mean, look at the date on this one, right? March 16th, 2020. October 10th here because obviously I updated it. But if we scroll back up, I'm sure we can see that it was let's have a look at this walk through. Privilege, yeah, here we go. So I did get all... Yeah, there isn't one. So yeah, they changed it. We did this. I mean, I guess this privilege escalation gets us Ganymede, and then you just literally... Oh no, wait a minute. After taking control of the Ganymede user. Alright, yeah. Oh, we can go to the CCTV directory as root. But at that point, we're root. It's like, what the fucking point? HTML. Because I think only... I mean, it's no point. Like, literally, you have to read this as root. So this note for admin is like... This is like pointless. We're already root. I didn't count the root flag either, did I? On the screen of my socials, please follow me on Twitter, join the Discord server, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course follow me on Twitch. I will see you guys, and I hope you have a great week.